Who should consent to medical treatment on your behalf, maybe even to make life and death decisions should you lack capacity to consent yourself? Provide for a medical emergency. In a living will, you stipulate which medical treatment you consent or not in the event that you become incapacitated. You may also designate and appoint a trusted person as your representative. This person must decide on medical measures on your behalf if you become incapacitated. This is accomplished with a healthcare proxy or durable healthcare power of attorney. It is considered an alternative to a detailed living will. My name is Tamara Frener. I am an independent attorney at law in the canton of Zurich, Switzerland. If this video appeals to you, please share and like it. You object that you have already drawn up an advanced care directive. However, you have only specified who should decide medical matters for you if you are incapable of judgment. Providing instructions as to how to make decisions must be stipulated in a living will. In addition, a living will and a healthcare proxy are immediately valid, mandated, and signed, whereas an advanced care directive must be submitted to the Adult Protection Authority for validation. The trusted person must enforce your will vis-à-vis the doctors. This requires a representative to know your wishes, desires, fears, values, and attitudes. If necessary, the medical representative will contact the Child and Adult Protection Authority if your patient decree is not complied with. Your medical representative must also contact the Adult Protection Authority if any differences of opinions arise in the interpretation of your living will. So whom to appoint as your healthcare agent? Choose someone who can act under pressure, prevail against physicians, and understand your values, wishes, and fears. Can this person follow up on sufficiently deliberations of doctors? Do they catch medical explanations? Do they grasp the consequential effect? Does the person you trust have the time and strength to act in exceptional emotional situations? Will your representative look after your interests under pressure? Or will your agent be intimidated? Choose someone whom you trust to make life and death decisions for you, to refrain from or discontinue medical measures, and who can live with decisions they have made. So choose someone whose decisions will be respected by your family. Consider making alternative dispositions should the appointed person be unsuited to its task or refuse to accept or lays down the mandate. Thus, appoint at least one substitute natural person. Otherwise, you run the risk of the Adult Protection Authority appointing a supporting welfare advocate. The following also applies here. A power of attorney, like a living will, must be found in good time and be up to date. Make a note of who may be suitable as your medical proxy and why. Who can be considered as a substitute? How may these people be contacted? In which order should a person be empowered to represent you? It must be clear who is authorized to represent you. If the authorized representative have different opinions, you risk that the Adult Protection Authority will intervene. Do you have any questions? Please contact me. And to stay informed about various topics, please follow me on social media.